Who's ready to make some money? Okay, who is ready to make some money? This is Tatiana Sweets, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I have some amazing information that's going to help you if you're a female. Okay, if you're a female, I got some good advice for you on how to make some money. Okay, today we're going to talk about how to become a surrogate. Surrogates, did y'all know this? Women get paid to have a baby. I think it's about $38,000 between $50,000 that you get paid just for being a surrogate. Okay, so like I was saying, you get paid up to $50,000, between $38,000 to $50,000. I'm looking at down on my notes. Yeah, just to get paid to get pregnant. Okay, and this is such an amazing thing. Like, if you're thinking about, you know, not donating your eggs, but if you watch my previous video where I was talking about how you can make money off of selling your eggs, I'm sorry, donating, I gotta say donate. Yeah, and you can make money doing that. But today's video, we're gonna talk about how you can get paid to become a surrogate. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you have to be between 21 years of age, and I think it's like 21 to 32. Yeah, 21 to 32 years of age to be a part of that. Okay, so just keep that in mind if you are between. All right, so I'm gonna just keep running down the list. Okay, I'm gonna run through you guys all of the requirements that you need to what you need to know to qualify. Okay, so they do want you to be of a certain body mass index, and the body mass index is between 18 and 32. All right, so I guess, you know, you probably shouldn't be too skinny. They don't want you if you're too skinny. Okay, so because you got to have enough weight to hold the baby. All right, next, you have to live in a surrogate friendly state. Okay, and I guess if you live in the United States, most states in the US are pretty much surrogate friendly, but make sure that you get on the Googler and make sure that you double check just to make sure that your state you know, it's allowed, which I'm sure it shouldn't be a problem. Next, you have to not be on no government assistance. I did not know this one right here. They do not want you on government assistance. I'm like, you know, what if people getting help from the state? Like, you know, that is so crazy. How is that even possible? Because there's a lot of women that's on government assistance, like food stamps, whatever. I guess I'm disqualified. I'm just joking. I'm not on food stamps or none of that. But I mean, I think that's pretty weird. But hey, what are you gonna do? Okay, next, they don't want you to live in a criminal state. I'm sorry, they don't want you to have no criminal history. I'm running through this so fast. You cannot have a criminal history, no felonies, none of that stuff, okay? That's gonna disqualify you. Another thing, they don't want you on any type of illegal substances, okay? So you have to be completely healthy, no illegal substances. That's a no-no. You don't want that. Okay, so next on the list, you have to have previously given birth at least to one child, okay? Because they want to make sure that you can carry the baby up to full term without any complications. Okay, so next, they want you to have a healthy reproductive system. That's what it says right there. They want all your reproductive to have a healthy reproductive system. It's a lot, you know, it's a lot. Like, when you think of like my previous video, if you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to have the link below of donating your eggs. But in this video right here, I feel like the process is so intrusive. It's like so crazy. So, all right, let's go to the next on the list. What's next? Okay, so next on the list, you cannot be a smoker, okay? You must be a non-smoker if you want to become a surrogate. They do want you to be a non-smoker, and you cannot live in a smoking household. I guess, like, you have to live in a non-smoking household. They do not want you to be living with somebody and you're going to be possibly exposed to cigarettes, you know, the smoke. Yeah, that's not going to be healthy for the baby. Secondhand smoke is a no-no. All right, so the next part. Okay, so look, they don't want you on any antidepressants. I'm sorry, antidepressants. Am I saying it right? You know, the antidepressant stuff. You can't be on none of that, okay? So they do want you mentally stable. They do not want anybody who's going through like a depression or any type of, you know, mental issues. You know what I mean? They want you healthy mentally, emotionally, and physically, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, so and lastly, they want you to allow house visits. They're gonna be checking up on you. I guess, I don't know, the state or the fertility company, I guess they're going to be making house visits to make sure that everything with you is okay. They want to make sure you're in a healthy, loving environment for you and your baby. So yeah, so I believe that's it. I mean, I know that is a long list. that is a long list. But if you qualify, so that's just about it for this video. I hope I was able to inform you all on how to become a surrogate. I think it's such an amazing experience. I would love to do it if I don't know what's wrong, my camera's broken. Yeah, I wish I could qualify to do it. I think it'll be such a fun experience, maybe one day. But yeah, I think you have until the age of 40, around 40-ish. And if you're interested, you could just simply go into the Googler and look it up and find a fertility clinic that's looking for surrogates. Because there are a lot of people are looking for, you know, surrogates of women who can't have babies themselves, women who can't, you know, hold the baby to full term. So I think it's a great way of giving back to the community. And it's a great way to make some money on the side. So think about it. I mean, what have you got to lose? Okay, everybody, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you liked this video. Was it informative? Have you ever tried it, or you know somebody who became a surrogate? Was it a successful experience? Like, how was it? You know, because I've never done that before. So yeah, and also let me know if you want me to make more content like this. Let me know if you want more information, because I have a million of them, okay? Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next time. Bye. Bye, guys.